Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix mic not working on Escape the Backrooms Working 2025. Step 1. Check mic connection. Make sure your microphone is properly connected to your PC or headset port. Step 2. Set mic as default. Go to Control Panel, Give Sound, Gives Recording. Right-click your mic and select Set as Default Device. Step 3. Check app permissions. Open Settings, Gives Privacy, Gives Microphone, and make sure apps are allowed to access your mic. Step 4. Enable voice chat in-game. Launch Escape the Backrooms. Go to Settings, Gives Audio, and turn on voice chat. Step 5. Adjust input device. Inside game settings, choose your correct microphone input. Step 6. Test voice. Join a lobby and speak if others hear you. It's fixed. Step 7. Restart game. If not, close and reopen the game to apply the new settings. Thanks for watching.